This is just my second box that I received from Allure Beauty, and last month the box was so amazing. I was gonna cancel it, and I actually canceled it, and I called back and I said, let me keep receiving it for at least 2 more months. So let's see if this box, the Allure Beauty Box for February 2022, is as good as the first one. So Allure's $23 a month, I believe, is like right now one of the most affordable ones if you compare to like Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or BoxyCharm. Those prices went up. You receive a pamphlet which tells you all the products that you have inside, how much it is, and I believe how to use it. So that's amazing. I know Ipsy Glam Bag does not have that, which I don't like, because I can give you more accurate information. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen's Beauty Style. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. I do believe there's different variations. I thought everybody just received one, but if I'm not mistaken, there are at least 3 to 4 variations. You do know the details on that? Let me know. This is from Heritage Store. Rosewater Refreshing Facial Mist. It's a 1 ounce. I love that it's refillable. I love these little spray bottles. The full size is 8 ounces, and that would retail for $10.69. Why you will love this delicate facial mist made with just 2 ingredients, purified water and rose oil, is a staple in countless makeup artists' kits. This hydrating spritz is beloved as a prep step for radiant skin, a setting spray to help prevent makeup from creasing, and a refresher that makes skin glow even after that 3 p.m. slump. Makeup artists also spray it over their sponges to help blend foundation or concealer over skin. Without dyes, without alcohol, without sulfates. Wow, if you don't like that rose smell, this smells like pure rose. I don't really like this scent, okay? I like some rose scents, but very few. But I don't care. Like, I would definitely wear this, try this, put it on. This looks so pretty. What I love about this the most is this. It feels a bit heavy. So this is by the brand Espa, Natural Beauty Inner Calm. This is something I like. I'm excited about. This, I believe, is the full size. This is a 1 ounce clarifying clay mineral mask. Kaolin clay is a deep clean for your pores. I have super oily skin, pores, blackheads, whiteheads, so I love a good clay mask. It absorbs excess oil, so your skin is left feeling smoother and more mattified. This creamy face mask pairs the clarifying ingredient with the moisturizing coconut oil and rose water, so skin is left feeling softer and tighter but not dry. The sweet floral scent is a relaxing perk. So it says you wear it for 20 minutes and then rinse. This mask is great for dry, normal combination skin. I don't see it saying oily. And I would think maybe because of the coconut oil, just when I read coconut oil, I'm like, oh my god, because I would never think of putting coconut oil on my face. Put over face, neck, décolletage. So I don't know. I'll try it first in a small area and see how it works. This is made in England. Put the ingredients here for you real quick. Did I tell you the price? $34, just in case. Alright, then we have one makeup product here. It retails for $23. This brow pencil has the perfect waxy consistency for creating believable fullness, and its color is easy to blend with the thoughtfully included spoolie. Did you guys not hear me like when I was talking about the brushes that I received from my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus? I said I love those brushes like for the brows that are like the angled brushes. I just wish I had one that had a spoolie, and look at this. But though this is a pencil, not just a brush. A key and soften overlook step for professional looking brows. So here it is, the spoolie on one side. I don't know why it looks like that color, and it also looks like glitter on the outside. Let me just swatch. I'm swatching it several times. Maybe that's just so it looks pretty on the outside, but here I'm swatching and there's absolutely no glitter. Like terrified to use a pen for the brows. I use a pomade or maybe like a brow gel or something like that. But like a pen, I think it would be so hard for me like to draw something. But I guess you can practice, right? I love the fact that it has a spoolie so you can just brush it. I'll definitely be using the spoolie if I remember where this pencil is. It's so different if you just like put on the brow product and leave it like that, then like go ahead and like comb it out. That's just my opinion. And it does come with a sharpener as well, so pretty interesting. Right now, I haven't heard of any of these brands, so this I'm interested, because if you watch any of my hair videos, I love to pamper my hair. My hair is like destroyed in so many ways. I do so many things to it, so many treatments. This is a brand that I've always wanted to try. I do have something else that I bought from them, I think is like conditioner. I always wanted to try this, even though it's a small sample, but I believe I'll get at least 3 uses out of it, maybe. This is by the brand Briogeo. Don't despair, repair. Deep only use like masks or deep conditioners. I don't go with a regular conditioner unless it's amazing. The reason Allure readers have voted this the best conditioning hair treatment out there. The creamy mask formulated with rosehip for hydration, almond oil for shine, and vitamin B to help with damage, delivers a boost of moisture back into the hair and does everything a deep conditioning treatment should, making hair softer, hydrated, frizz-free, and shiny. We weren't kidding when we said everything. Size is an 8-ounce, and that would retail for $38. So I know this is a really amazing brand, really amazing. Ooh. So just like to smell it. I can't really smell it too much. I don't know why. It smells nice. Nothing that I'm like, oh my god, that scent is to die for. Some products that I use for the hair, like, oh my god, I could smell this all day. And you know what? I never smelled this, so I do want to smell this too. This clay mask. So let me just put some here. Why do I smell like this? Does this say it had rose? This must have some rose. I just have to check quickly. Sorry for the interruption, but rose water. Okay. I believe I definitely smell the rose water. We have 2 very rosy scented products here. 6 products that you get in the box if I didn't mention. So here we have some other skincare. Heavy, heavy, heavy on the skincare. This is the M61 Power Glow Peel. This facial peel is a fan favorite. People go crazy for it on Reddit. The glycolic and salicylic acid formula is balanced with skin-soothing ingredients such as chamomile. Our editors love using it at night for skin that is noticeably smoother, glowy, and bright, and not the least bit irritated the next day. Pack of 10 treatments would retail for $10. Oh, sorry. Fragrance-free, dermatologist tested, allergy tested, 100% paraben-free. So that's interesting. I'm scared of like a peel. I'll have to like do more research before I try this. This is made in the USA. So be very careful if you've never like tried peels before. Do your research, okay? Especially if you have very sensitive skin. These are like the little packets. This is how it comes. You get 3 of them. After cleansing and drying skin, wipe pre-soaked towelette over face, neck, and décolletage. So face, neck, décolletage, while avoiding eye area. Do not rinse off. Follow with moisturizer. We have this. The packaging is really cute. I love it. Love it. Love it. Another brand I've never heard of. This is Dermalect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. I've been using a lot of serum, especially in the nighttime. Like around my forehead, I see like the fine lines coming in strong. I don't really use serums around here for now, but I do see my face like drying, like is more dry, maybe because it's winter here. This lightweight nighttime treatment is packed with tried and true exfoliating ingredients, salicylic and glycolic acids to help clear pores and promote cell turnover, while you sleep for smoother, more even skin. On top of those two powerhouse ingredients, the serum also contains vitamin C, which helps fade dark spots and protects skin from free radicals. Hyaluronic acid, which makes skin dewy and prevents moisture from evaporating. The sweet scent is faint and lovely. How to use: use at night, use a dropful. It's enough to cover your face, neck, and chest for skin that's brighter and smoother. Okay, and this is a 1 ounce, retails for $42. Look how pretty that is. I mean, if you're into skincare, you may really like this box. If you're not and you're purely makeup, you're gonna be like, what the? Cancel, right? But I don't know, it had a sweet scent. Here's your applicator. Oh my god. What is that scent? You know, I'm just gonna apply it here. I feel like I have all different types of scents. I don't think I like this scent whatsoever. If you're a person that does not like fragrance in their skincare, then you're not gonna like this. Like this. I mean, everything here is scented except this and the brow pencil, but we'll see if I can stand it. I really don't like this scent. I don't know what it smells like. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.